today I'm sharing with you how I style. So here I am wearing this denim dress which I got from Guess, and I styled this dress with this beautiful Converse shoes and this legging from Forever 21. And yes, the hero of this look is this Yard watch. So this watch is very natural and nude kind of color, so this can go with any outfit, and you guys can see how this watch is going seamlessly with this outfit and making this really put together and effortless, stylish. And I really like this combination. I'm really excited and looking forward to wear this watch with my future outfits to make them stand out. Everybody, so I am reviewing a watch today in this vlog in a tiny clip, and which watch I'm reviewing is any guess? Any guess? Any guess? Okay, you guessed it already. This watch right here. This watch is from the company named Yard, and this company is based in the USA. The most unique, interesting and beautiful thing about these watches are they are made of wood, and they use different kind of woods for all their watches, and they are 100% wooden and they are handmade. That's the most exciting thing for me. I am a big fan of watches personally. I have so many watches with me, but most of them are affordable one, but I have two different watches which are expensive, and now this one is a third one and a very unique one. When I came across their website, I got really attracted to this wooden thing because I never saw anybody or talking about these wooden watches, or never saw anything like this. Because of this watch love in me got me into these ones, so I thought, okay, I have to give them a try, and I have this one in my collection because I am a fan of big dials. So I got this one from men's section, but they have a huge variety of watches of different colors like black, gold. Black one, yes, didn't use any artificial color, that's pure sandalwood and that's natural color of wood. And they have small dials, big dials for men's and for women's. Beautiful. I'm gonna leave their websites link in description box if you are interested to visit their website, if you are someone who like watches. So do not forget to visit their website. And now tiny bit about the close-up of this watch. Look at this beautiful watch. This watch came in this beautiful wooden box, quite luxurious. This watch was wrapped around this cushion, and other thing I really like about them is they made it of my size. They sized it for you. That's quite interesting because usually when I buy watches online, I have to go to any shop for a sizing thing, but they do it for you. So when it gonna come to your place, it's a ready to wear. That's quite interesting, and they're gonna give you other parts as well. In future, if you are gaining some sort of a weight, or maybe you are giving this to someone else, they can use this to make it bigger size. Look at the gears. They are so interesting and so highly made. The best thing about them is I really like looking at these gears from the back side of this watch. You guys can see how this watch is working, and I quite like this buckle binding thing as well. It's quite interesting. It's easy to, you know, buckle with the one hand. I never saw something like this. You guys can buckle one side then other side. Quite interesting, and it's Yard written on that as well. Coppery color inside. Whenever I wear this, I always get compliments from people like, hey, which watch you're wearing, it's really beautiful. And I guess this watch deserves so many compliments because it's unique, and they ship free internationally, worldwide. That's cool. Yeah, and the exciting thing about this our review is they are giving $180 credit to my subby buddies, so it is a giveaway time. So I'm gonna leave the link in description box where you guys can enter for this giveaway. They're gonna give you a coupon code for their website, and you guys can visit their website and buy whatever you like, and I'm leaving all the giveaway details in the description box, so do not forget to check the description box for more giveaway details, like when they are announcing a winner. And this giveaway is an international one, so everybody is free to enter. Please enter and get a chance to win this $180. And if you are not interested in this giveaway or anything, I have one more coupon code for $25 off, which is Simar Beauty. I'm gonna leave that in the description box. That is not an affiliated code. I'm not gonna get anything, but you guys are gonna get $25 off. So if you are someone who like watches, do not forget to go to their website and check it. So at the end, I want to say is I really like this watch. It's very unique, very highly, nicely handmade watch. I want to thank you, Tim from Yor, for hooking me up with this beautiful Yor watch, which is my favorite these days, and I am looking forward to wear this every single day. That is it for this review. Do not forget to check the description for giveaway details, and please keep on watching. ओके, सो आज है संडे एंड हम सबसे पहले ब्रेकफास्ट करने जा रहे हैं और उसके बाद मे बी नर्सरी में जाएंगे। और यू नो बहुत ही अच्छा समर डे है आज, तो आई डोंट नो क्या क्या प्लान है डैडी के। तो मिमी एंड उसके डैडी ऑलरेडी बाहर जा चुके हैं और दे आर वेटिंग फॉर मी, और मैं आप लोगों को लेके आ रही थी। क्या चलो चलो गाइस, यू रेडी? यस, हाय गाइस, मिमी के ओके, सो मैंने ऑर्डर कर दिया है और सबसे पहले मैं कॉफ़ी पी रही हूँ। डैडी नहीं पी रहे क्योंकि डैडी घर से पी के आए हैं, और मिमी कलर्स कर रहा है एंड ही इज शोइंग यू हिज लॉलीपॉप। और वो कह रहा है कि ये आइसक्रीम है। ओके, आई डोंट थिंक सो मुझे आपको दिखाने की ज़रूरत है क्योंकि हम लोग सेम ही खा रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये मेरा फेवरेट है। ये होल एग का सैंडविच है, potatoes एंड सम वेजीज। डैडी इज हैविंग हिज यूजुअल वन, scrambled egg, potatoes and sausage and pancake. Mimi and Daddy gonna share, and another cup of coffee. So let's have it. ओके, सो हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि हम कहाँ पे जाएं क्योंकि दिन इतना अच्छा है, तो वी थॉट हम लोग जाएंगे नाइग्रा। तो हम जा रहे हैं नाइग्रा एंड रियली चंदा। पहुंच गए हैं नाइग्रा पे और मिमी सो रहा है, और अभी हम खा के आए हैं तो वॉक करेंगे पहले। मिमी प्ले करेगा, हम लोग वॉक करेंगे और बस चिल्लम पार्टी करने वाले हैं। जो सप एक दूजे नाल आप कहंदे लवनी जी पोनियां ते डोरियां। मिमी भी उठ गया है। मिमी से हाय। ओके, सो अब हम यहाँ पे इस रेस्टोरेंट में हैं। यहाँ पे लाइव म्यूजिक है और बहुत अच्छा है। कुछ ड्रिंक्स पियेंगे। Okay, so now we are going to this dinosaur golf adventure, and me and Daddy gonna play golf and show Daddy my golf skills. But Mimi is kinda scared though. But let's see. Mimi, you excited? Wow, it's beautiful. Come. Thank you, dear. Wow, Mimi, you excited? Mini golfer? Wow. Thank you. Daddy, come. Manna, blue ball hit कर. Manna, ऐसे खड़ा होके उधर नु मार. गुडनेस, मीमी ने एक ही शॉट में डाल दी. वाओ मीमी, सच अ गुड प्लेयर यू आर. वाओ, गुड जॉब. Dinosaur adventure golf, it's really beautiful. I really like that fountain thing. Look at this volcano, is so beautiful. And जब भी ये फायर निकलती है तो बहुत गर्मी लगती है. और वहाँ पे वो राइड है, ये काफ़ी बिजी है आज. एंड यहाँ पे बड़े बड़े डायनासोर्स हैं. पहले तो हिम्मत डर रहा था, पर अब वो हैप्पी है. So we done with our golf thing and now we are going somewhere, I don't know. है टिम हॉर्टन्स में. कॉफ़ी पियेंगे और हिम्मत खाएगा कोई हिम्मत. एंड डैडी कुछ खाना था, मीठा या नमकीन. मीमी कह रहा है कि मुझे खोल दो, मैं खुद ही डिसाइड कर लूँगा कि मुझे क्या खाना है. Okay, Mimi, you happy? Can I get a chocolate one, please? I'm having my chilled iced half. And we are walking. We are loving this weather so much. नमस्कार दोस्तों, तो आज हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं यहाँ.
गप्पा मार रही हैं.
Okay, so Mimi won 1,500 tickets. Really nice bowling thing. And another box of this basketball for 1,400. He's like really excited. Yay! Oh. Wow! Good job, Mimi. You got 2 things today. Really good. Let's go. बहुत ज़्यादा भूख नहीं है हमें, पर थोड़ा कुछ खाएंगे. हम खा रहे हैं tacos and wings, and Daddy is having his drink, Mimi is having his one, and Mommy is having her one. Oh wait, and ना खोल के box side हो गया. तो मैं इतनी चूहे आ गया, कुत्तर कितना चूहे हम. Okay, so we're done with our light meal and now we're gonna leave, and Mimi is still having his drink. We guys done with our fun thing. Now we guys are leaving. And it was a really nice and lovely day. हम हमेशा ये डायनासोर वाली जगह पे आना चाहते थे, पर हमेशा मिमी कहता था नो मुझे डर लग रहा है. तो आज मिमी ने अपने डर पे काबू पा लिया. डर के आगे जीत है, उसने सोचा. तो फिर उसने खूब फन किया और हमने भी. और या दैट्स अबाउट इट. आई होप आपने ये व्लॉग एंजॉय किया होगा. मुझे ज़रूर बताना कि आपको कैसा लगा है. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा है तो बड़ा सा थम्स अप दीजिए. कोशिश करिए कि इस व्लॉग को हम एटलीस्ट 1200 थम्स अप दें. 1200 कि मैं देखना चाहती हूँ कि आउट देयर 1200 पीपल हैं जो मुझे प्यार करते हैं. या सो 1200 थम्स अप. और अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ कीजिए. किस चीज़ की वेट कर रहे हो, प्लीज़. ओके, सो आई लव यू गाइज सो मच. मैं आप लोगों से बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करती हूँ. ये सिर्फ कहने के लिए नहीं कह रही हूँ, ये सब सच है. और मैं आपको मिलूँगी अपने नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय डैडी. बाय बाय मिमी. बाय.
I like to make money, get turned. I like to make money, get turned. I like to make money, get turned. Got the white girl talking.